Add phone_state_handler 1.0.1 in pubspec.yaml file. Add read_phone_state and read_call_log permission in Android manifest.xml. Import package phone_state_handler phone_state_handler.dart. This Flutter code snippet handles requesting phone state permissions using the permission.phone.request function, likely from the permission_handler package. It checks the permission status and returns true if permission is granted or provisional, and false if denied, restricted, or permanently denied. The result is evaluated with a clean switch expression for efficient control flow. This Flutter code listens for phone state changes on iOS devices. In INIT state, if the platform is iOS, it starts listening to phone_state_handler.streng. When a phone state event, e.g. incoming call, occurs, it updates the status using setState to reflect the change in the app's UI. Get color and icon depend on call state. This Flutter code displays a button on Android to request phone state permission. It shows the call status, and if there's an incoming or active call, displays the caller's number. Additionally, an icon at the bottom dynamically changes based on the phone state, e.g. incoming, ongoing, or disconnected call.